These are BK-POLR microscope's accessories. Tilt 45 degrees and place in the reflecting illumination. Tighten the screws to secure. Then put the pole media. Tighten the screws with the hexagon wrench. Finally put the head and screw it. Completely unscrew the screw on one side of the analyzer slider. Inset in pole media and then screw it. Adjust the diopter of eyepiece position to 0. Install the WF10 times eyepiece. Find the yellow dot on nosepiece. It is for 10 times objective. And then install the 4 times 20 times 40 times 50 times objectives in sequence. Lift the mechanical stage. Lower the condenser stage. Put the condenser in and tighten the condenser locking screw. Lift the condenser. Connect the power cord of the reflecting illumination. Connect the power cord. O is off, is reflecting light. 2 is transmitting light. Adjust the brightness by turning the knob. Slip or quartz wedge. Bertrand lens focusing knob. Analyzer slider. Polarizer slider. Ground glass slider. Aperture diaphragm lever. Lower the round stage, and secure it. Align the mechanical stage to the hull, and tighten the screws.